Hey y'all, I'm out here in the garden today. See the fire pit behind me? Still working on it. I have a lot of projects that I'm going to be working on today. Tommy's going to help me put in a garden trellis arch. I'm going to be redoing this pathway I had done that the elephant ears have taken over. Let me show you an update of where my vegetable seeds are. So the pumpkin has sprouted here. That one has not sprouted. This one has sprouted. We have an owl to keep the chickens out. That squash has not sprouted. This squash has, and that cucumber has. This is the pathway I'm talking about. If you stand here, you'll see you can't even walk down it now. Not even my granddaughter, who's, I don't know, 3 feet tall, 2.5 feet tall. So I'm gonna reroute it, and I'm gonna reroute it through the teepee because I think she'll think that's cool. She loves to run up and down it. So now she'll just come and go through here. We'll see how much I get done today, but I do have a lot to get done, so let's get started. I've got my landscape pins, staples, whatever you want to call them. I've got my scissors, and I have the weed barrier. I'm just going to roll it out, cut it, and then lay my boards on top of it. Alright, I've got it laid out the way I'm gonna want it. Might curve it a little bit more up there. Now all I need to do is pour several bags of mulch here. And we'll have Aurora's new path through the teepee set up.
Welcome back, fans. It's Tommy and Cherie's DIY, do it yourself. Today, we're going to build an arch so we can put flowers on it. This here is your typical 16-footer cattle panel, and we're going to arch it.
You're on that side, I'm on this side.
So are you wanting to bend it this way, or you wanting to bend it that way?
Bend it up.
But remember, you got to walk it.
Okay.
All right. Set up on my back. Use some rope here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this string and I'm going to tie it so we keep our arch. That way we can move it to how we need it and want it. So I need to know what you think. That was some more.
you have something to say?
Oh, here in a minute. Gentlemen, run. When your wife says, "Hi, honey, I'm glad you're home," run. Especially if you ain't got a post driver. Run. Now when we make this a more permanent structure, we'll have to do this with wire, fencing line.
Okay.
It'll be a lot sturdier.
And with the magic of the internet, we have a climbing rose going over the newly finished arch. It is tall enough for my husband and I to go under. It was just recently watered and still having a little bit of transplant shock. I'm sure I'll have to cut some of this back so the roots can get back into the ground. I did dig up as much of the root as I could. And I've done this before and it should be okay. The poor little things are wilting. We'll see what it looks like tonight. So we still have to we still have to put in the fence part that goes across here and across here. I'll probably put a path through there. I don't know, it depends on how easy the lawn guy can get his lawnmower through there. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe.